Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict if Soun stock is going to soar in the future. Soun stock has been making waves in the market lately, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on its potential for growth. As a popular stock among investors, Soun has shown promising signs, but its future prospects are still uncertain. If you're considering investing in Soun or just curious about its performance, you're in the right place. One of the major challenges Soun stock faces is intense market competition. With numerous players in the industry, Soun must differentiate itself to stand out. Its financial performance has been inconsistent, with some quarters showing significant losses. Additionally, industry trends have been shifting, and Soun must adapt to stay relevant. The company has been struggling to keep up with the latest technological advancements, which could impact its growth. Another challenge Soun stock faces is the ever-changing consumer demand. With the rise of sustainable and eco-friendly products, Soun must adjust its business strategy to meet these new expectations. If Soun fails to innovate and keep up with the competition, it risks being left behind. The company's partnerships and collaborations will also play a crucial role in its future success. Soun has been working with several key partners, but these relationships must continue to bear fruit. On the other hand, Soun stock has some factors working in its favor. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, which could lead to breakthroughs and increased revenue. Its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has earned it a loyal customer base. If Soun can continue to deliver on its promises and stay ahead of the competition, it may be well positioned for growth. One of the most compelling reasons to believe Soun stock could soar in the future is its strong leadership team. With a proven track record of success, the company's executives have the experience and expertise to navigate the challenges ahead. Soun's focus on sustainability and social responsibility also sets it apart from its competitors. By prioritizing these values, Soun can attract environmentally conscious investors and customers. This combination of strong leadership and commitment to sustainability makes a strong case for Soun stock's potential growth. In summary, Soun stock's future prospects are complex and multifaceted. While the company faces significant challenges, it also has several factors working in its favor. Its commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction make it an attractive investment opportunity. If you have any thoughts on Soun stock or other investment opportunities, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other video on stock market trends and investment tips for more insights.